Hi developers. In this video, we will discuss about if statement. If statement used to take action based on some condition. I repeat, if statement is take action based on some condition. We can see lot of examples in our life. For example, while driving, if you see red signal, put brake and wait for green signal, then move. If it is weekday, go to office or school. If it is weekend, take rest. So like that we can see lot of real-time examples. Now we will take action based on climate. If the climate is rainy, then we will take umbrella. Here the condition is rainy, action is taking an umbrella. Next condition. If climate is cold, wear jacket. Here the condition is cold, action is wearing jacket. Finally, if the climate is sunny, go to beach. So what is the condition here? Obviously the condition is sunny and going to the beach is the action. Now we'll do some code. Today I'm going to do code through EduBlocks. EduBlock is a free tool that helps us to learn the coding through drag and drop blocks. This is very useful for the student and beginners. The URL to access this EduBlock is app.edublocks.org. I will mention this link in the description box. Please make use of it. Okay, we'll start the coding here. Now, once you go to app.edublocks.org, you can see this page. So in this page, either you can log in so that you can save your coding, or directly you can create a project. So here I can see lot of types: Python 3, HTML and Circuit Python and Microbit and Raspberry Pi. So today we are going to create project for Python. So I'll select Python 3. So here you can give the name for your project. I'll give name as a if statement because we are going to deal with if statement. Okay. So here you can see the three panels. Split means it will show the blocks and code. So only you want to see the blocks, select the blocks. Only you want to do the coding, so click the code. But I want split. Both I am doing here. Okay. The first thing is, what is our previous example? Climate. So based on the climate, I want to take action. So I have to create one variable to save the value of the climate, to hold the data. In previous video, I explained clearly what is variable and what is data. So if you are not clear, please click the link above and learn. Okay, let's create variable. I will create the variable. I will give name as climate. Okay. Finish. I will drag here, I will drop. Okay, so if you see here, climate equal to, what is the climate? Now I will do the climate as rainy. Okay, so now the climate is rainy. So next thing is what? I want to take action based on climate. So for that I will go to logic. So here you can see lot of category. So now I'm going to select the logic. So there are three. When you discuss about Python, if statement in Python, you can see three categories, three blocks. One is if, elif. What is elif? The full form of elif is else if this condition or that condition. Based on, we have to take action. Finally, if it is your condition is not satisfied in any criteria, then else block will get executed. Okay, so first I will check if. Okay, the first thing is I will check climate. If climate equal to, so here you can see here, first thing here I have mentioned the single equals, you can see here. Okay, but the second line I have mentioned double equal. So the double equals is like a comparing. Okay, it's a conditional operator. But here the single equals is the assignment operator. I am assigning the data to the climate variable. But here I am comparing if climate equal to raining. Okay. Okay. So here the line number 2 is a assignment operator equal to work as a assignment operator. But in line number 3 is a conditional statement. Okay, we are checking. Okay, so the double equal to, if you have to compare with two values, you have to use double equal to. Okay, so now we'll see what if the climate equal to rainy, then we'll take the statement print. I want to print, what I have to do, take umbrella. Take. Okay, so if it is rainy, take umbrella. So next, what is the next condition I discuss? I'll go to logic again. I'll bring else if. I'll put on after if condition. You can see here, this intention is very important in the Python. In other languages, we can do with the curly bracket. You can see here, it generally will give 4 space or tab, but automatically editor will take. So 1 space also enough. So generally best practice is give 4 space. So what it means, so whatever the code steps coming with this indentation, so this will run under this if condition, if block. Okay, so here I am taking take umbrella. So now I will, okay, so here I don't have to give double quotes again, already print statement will take. Okay, so here if the climate is rainy, take umbrella. So we can take lot of steps, a lot of action we can take. For example, I'll duplicate, I'll put here after taking umbrella, watch your steps. Okay, again I can take duplicate, I can take print statement and walk slowly. Okay, see here you can see after the if condition, you can, there's a indentation is there, space between. Indentation means the space before your coding. So here I give 3 space, right, 3 line having space. So all this 3 line will execute when the climate is rainy. So what is our next if condition? If climate you have to make sure case sensitive, otherwise it won't work. Small c, if climate equal to then cold. If the climate is cold, I will take duplicate, I will keep it here. And if the climate is cold, wear jacket. Whenever I type, automatically our code generate here. So that's it. Next thing is one more else if. So I'll just, either you can go to logic block, you can click drag and drop, or if the same block, you can duplicate it. Only you have to change the value. If the climate equal to sunny, okay, what we'll do, go to beach and enjoy, play, go to beach. Okay, so here if I want to one more print statement, I can duplicate and I can go to beach and play volleyball. See here, if it is rainy, I want to do 3 steps. If it is a cold, only 1 step, wear jacket. Okay, if it is a sunny, go to beach, play volleyball. Okay, okay, so finally if it is not, for example, if the climate is warm, or if the climate is where something you want to do, okay, it's a night, your user is telling night, then what you will do? So if the final thing, else block, if your climate is not coming under any category, you are not giving us a rainy, the climate is not rainy, and climate is not cold, the climate is not sunny, suppose for example user is giving cloudy, so what we have to do? That's it. So here I will get statement and print sleep. You can do anything. If it is something different, just say sleep. You can, when I run the code, I will run the code. So here take umbrella, watch your steps and walk slowly. Why? Because I have hard coded climate equal to rainy. So if I change this value, I'll stop the execution. If I change the value to cold, okay, so what it will come? We have to give double quotes. It is not variable. If it is cold, run again. So wear jacket. Okay. So if it is sunny, if it is sunny, go to beach, play volleyball. Then I'm telling cloudy. If it is cloudy, what you will do? Sleep. Okay. So even though you're not only cloudy, so you can do anything. If I giving the climate is warm, so again it will give sleep only, because else automatically it will check for all this condition. If it is not comes under any condition, by default else will get execute. So one more thing we have to notice here, every time I have to change the code. You can see here, every time I have to go, and this is called hard coding the value. So this is not a best practice. It is a dynamically changing value you have to get from the user. So what we can do, instead of hard coding this value, I will go to statement, and there is a method called input. Input means you can get the value from the user at the runtime. Okay, this is, there are two time are there, compile time or development time or runtime. So I want to get the value of this climate at the runtime. Okay, so I'll ask the question to users, how is climate today? So this is very simple way we can get. This is the input method. Just click input bracket, whatever your questions you can give here. Okay, so now I'll run. So I'm not defining any value here. I'm just in the runtime I am asking. The user is telling rainy. So here take umbrella, watch your step, walk slowly. So now again I will run. I'm not going to change the anything in the code. So in the runtime I am asking here, what is the climate? Sunny. Go to beach, play volleyball. Again I am running. What is the climate? Cold. Wear jacket. The finally, so if I tell cloudy, it is showing output as sleeping. Okay. So thanks for your time. Stay connected for more interesting technical videos. Bye bye.